The Lord has restored Israel in these latter days, yet has no restoration himself. The Almighty Creator God of Israel asks Israel these things: Have not I, the Lord, caused the earth of the United Nations of the world to give birth to you, O Zion, in one day as prophesied? Have not I, the Lord, given you back your lands taken long ago, having done so not only through global decree, but in an increasing fashion through warfare, whereupon I supernaturally intervened to bring you to victory, no matter how outnumbered or outgunned you were? Have not I, the Lord, mysteriously and prophetically called upon you to build and restore the house of God during this very end of the latter days? End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God, has spoken and written this day, date, and time of Tuesday, the 21st of May, 2019 at 6:01 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly holy name is meticulously and awesomely engraved. Published for Sunday, the 22nd of December, 2019.